Meaning of evidently.
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 Evidently. Evidently is an adverb that means something is clear, obvious, or apparent. It is often used to indicate that there is strong evidence to support a particular conclusion or belief. For example, if someone says evidently, he didn't study for the exam, it means there are indications that he did not prepare well. In essence, evidently implies that the evidence available points strongly in a certain direction, and that the inference drawn from that evidence is likely to be accurate. It suggests a high degree of certainty in the conclusion being made based on the available evidence.